Okay. These are the trades from today. I really wish I held this one longer. And I was going to, I had to work. I usually like to be leaving the house around 8, and it was already 3 minutes past. I was like, I kind of have to get going. So like, I had taken my trade here, and I ended up taking partials somewhere within here. Just because, like, after every SMT was happening, like, I don't know if we were going to go higher or not, or, like, I don't know. I was pretty confused today. Um, anyways, uh, yeah, I took like partials within here, and then this was like a 5 minute retrace, and once we pushed out of it, I'd move my stop loss to here. Kind of like broke out of this area, and then on the way down, yeah, like I put my stop loss here after we'd broken out of this area and made this low, and it came down, and I had to go to work, so I was fine taking the rest of my trade here. This one wasn't a huge trade either, sadly. Just like I thought we were gonna make this movement off the bat. I didn't expect us to come so far down, and I ended up breaking even on this trade, uh, which I had full risk for. But I didn't even like I didn't want to take partials here either. But considering from where I got in, where my stop loss was, and where this like first take profit was, I didn't want us to just flip off of that, and we kind of did. I mean, we went a little bit higher, so I took like a minor amount of partials here, and then I ended up closing the rest of my position somewhere here. I don't know why. I just, well, I did. I think, I don't even know. I took, no. I think I just took first, uh, partials, and then, I don't even know. I can't remember. Like this is before I went to work. I was already pretty tired. I can't remember. This was my like what I wanted to get hit. I think something made me close like a second position here, and then the last position I came down and like broke even. I think on that candle. So I didn't really win much from that, and then uh, we came down, and then this second trade I didn't really have much of a confluence for. I mean, after every SMT is like we make this SMT, and then I think we come down on ES after doing that. Yeah, that was 6:30. Come down, make an SMT here off of these lows, and then price moves up, and I think oh, made the SMT off of those lows, and then move up, and then we took the hourly high, which we didn't even take any high on ES, and saw movement downward. And I was kind of looking for a short here, but we weren't really respecting bearish order flow. Like I don't know, from this high to this low, I think equilibrium wasn't being respected. Yeah, no, we tested it and then we closed above it, and as well as this huge SMT off of now, like what this low is, and then like this not testing that. So we made that SMT, uh, disrespected equilibrium, and I got it on some 1 minute thing. I don't even know. This gap being tested. This was a news candle, but it respected this gap. We had bullish closure out of it, and I entered with like one contract. I had my stop at these lows, and yeah, I I no, it might have been two contracts. So I think I took like a partial somewhere here, and then I was gonna wait to see if price would push above this high and then continue, and hopefully get to like this high and further. And I was waiting with like my stop loss at this low, and once we pushed above it, and then came back down, and then broke structure like and inverse the rest of this gap, I think I don't know, I had my stop loss somewhere within here. Yeah, my final profit was probably taken like on this candle right here, but yeah, I don't know. Um, I definitely didn't top ticket. Somewhere there. I took like partials and then I took partials again once we came back down to them. Which is kind of a bummer too because I was tempted to just leave the trade and go to work and have like a higher take profit and just like a stop loss kind of in profit somewhere here. And like if I just left it at this low and walked away, it would have been fine. But I don't know. I haven't made many trades like that, so I'm not. I mean I am inclined to. I don't know. Anyways, that was the trade. Fucking SMTs everywhere, but I'm up on the trade and past halfway done the funded account. So hopefully, if we can just, I don't know, get good price action the next couple days, and next week I could just pass the account and then get the express account, and then boom, that'd be pretty dope. But yeah, that's it. Friggin' here it is.